Hi everyone, welcome back. Today, multi-volt supply. We will convert this old CPU supply to multi-volt. Hi everyone, welcome back. Today, multi-volt supply. We will convert this old CPU supply to multi-volt. As you can see, it has different variation for voltages with powerful current unit. First unpack, cut the connectors, then rearrange them in their color code. Black is always negative or ground volt. Green is used to turn on the supply. Red is normally 5 volt. Yellow is 12 volt. Orange is 3 volt. Else color use different voltages can be measured by multimeter. Now connect button on green and black for on-off switch. Let's check is this supply working or not. Connect black and green, so it will start the supply. If fan is on, then supply is working. If not, then check the supply cable or fuse, etc. I remove extra switch from front and pull out these cables from it. Also place the button in their old cable out location. Seems like it's made for it. Now I'll connect drill motor to show you is it working or not. Here we connect the old battery from my bike to charge it. Here we connect the motor as well to